A friend of mine the other day made the most delicious dip/salad. It was so delicious. We just had a glass of wine and picked at it. So I'm recreating it for you today. So the first thing I do is prepare a simple salad of tomatoes and cucumber. And what I'm doing here with the cucumber is just removing all of the seeds. The seeds are really watery, so we want to take them out and just cut them into small little pieces like that. I'm leaving the skin on the Lebanese cucumber because there's loads of flavour in that. And then we're just going to cut it into small little pieces. We'll place this into a bowl with some tomatoes. I've just got some cherry tomatoes that I've cut into quarters. So really bright, happy salad. To this I'll add some onion, just some Spanish onion that's been finely chopped. Don't overdo the onion because it can overpower. And some parsley, finely chop about a tablespoon worth. So scrunch it all up and then give it a really good chop. You could change this up if you like and add some coriander, or basil could work nicely too. Run your knife through it a few times. And then into the bowl. I'll season this very simply with some salt, a squeeze of lemon, and some extra virgin olive oil. So a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. And give that a really good mix. All right, to plate this up, we're going to need a good heaped spoonful of hummus. Now, I love to use this one because it's made with 100% Aussie chickpeas and it's super fluffy and creamy. Have a look at this. That's the most beautiful hummus. So we're going to add a generous spoonful to a plate. In fact, I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of this hummus, and then just using the bottom of your spoon, spread that out to make just a little indent so our salad can sit in the center. Fantastic. We'll top that with our salad. Just pile it up in the center. And to really keep with that chickpea theme, this is just a can of chickpeas that I've drained and I've crispy fried them in some oil. See that? That sound of crispiness, that's what we're after for texture. So we'll just sprinkle them over the top. Some sumac, sprinkle of sumac, and really get that sumac on that hummus. And another little squeeze of lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. And that, served with some crispy pita and maybe a glass of wine, is absolute heaven.